Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Satang khandiat sngi ba kajing le niam ka bahek do jong kiriu ngai Hindu. Kalajan poi ka banlong nadu ka saw hadu ka pratrek mentau benai risau arja ka khandai. Kajing pan khre yakini kajing le niam ru hakani ginong ba Shillong bat hakajlah hi borak kawai kalaya chat hakeleng ki jaka. Ban kami ya kajing pan khre ba kajing yat bet kini kajing le niam ka balatep kum ka Durga Puja. Kadan ru ka kanhon ka balathau kerpang ya ka balatep kum ka Central Puja Committee ka batrekam nakani ginong ba Shillong. Hashwa ban poi kisngi jong kini kajing le niam ha ka sitarek mentau benai risau arja ka khandai. Kene ke kanhon kalai kendo ru ikinong pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club hapok kejenglam jong President Unaba Bhattacharjee ringkat General Secretary JL Das kibalai thu ba mentau snam tang hari lom khasi kindan hadu sispa khat pratli ki community Durga Puja hari lom jaintia khat sautli bad hari lom garopat sispa sipotli bad lada khenlang baro kawai kejela kindan hadu arspa sapu artli ki jakale anyam mentau snam kajing le anyam hauni snam lararu ba anperlong hakata ka rukam ka balaj hakaba penonkam yaki plastik ni kata ka plastic free puja bat kani ka thong kan omdai tang hakani ka Durga Puja hanre kan tarikam ru hakiwei ru ki jingle niam jong kireu ngai Hindu konthop ru ya ka Kali Puja Chat Puja bat kiwei di ki jingle niam kumjo ban omsha ban pento yaki mar plastik hawa omkhra.
We are advising them not to immerse any idol in any stream other than following designated immersion ghat. So this is our president is from the environment. He will touch other parts because some of the environment concern we have issued an advisory to all Puja committee under the signature of our president. So he will touch this point. You know, this get together he has already touched that our cleaning of immersion ghat that we have already started. If you go to immersion ghat, you will see there is a fit for immersion. Within days or two, we will make all this embankment, netting, etc. So for the peaceful and accident-free immersion, 8th of October. Members from various Puja committee will take part, and group and individual competition will be held. And winners will be awarded with the cash prize and with the medal. And the Eskedas Memorial Trophy will be awarded to the group champion of the Puja committee.